Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches screen recording on this device. So let's just first open the settings app and then tap here on the display section and scroll all the way down to the screen recorder section. Tap here, and now just to use the screen touches, you should click here once on the switcher. If you want to turn them off, just click on the switcher once again, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can activate the settings of screen recording. Just open the notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you should find the screen recorder icon. Now just to launch the settings, hold for a while this icon, and you'll see here the same regular touch point switcher. Just to turn it off, just to tap on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.